Kabilang reng mamasada, iba't kareng rehistradong Operators and Drivers Association at reng empleyado ning lokal na gobyerno at yuking hazardous work assignments, ing midinan health insurance, lalam ning programa ning lokal na gobyerno ning San Fernando. Penny muna ning Mayor Vilma Caluwag ang ceremonial distribution ng insurance cards para kareng 150 beneficiaries inyang May 19 king Executive Building kayaduangan ing insurance provider Liberty Insurance. Kabilang kareng beneficiaryo, reng tricycle, jeepney at three-wheeler drivers. Makanyan mo rin, reng job order employees, kalupad na reng street sweepers, sagip ilog personnel, rescuers, waste management workers, police at aliwapang utility at maintenance workers. Agpangkang kaluwag, partiyati ning balaw sa pamagsumikap ning syudad na kilalanan at sese ning kapakanan dareng sektor ating maragula papil king Aldoldo Servisyo at pamangailangan dareng Fernandino. At atanda na inyang March 2025, pepatupad yan naman ng syudad Accident Insurance Program para kareng migit 4,000 tricycle at jeepney drivers at operators bilang parte ning kapag nasanga mamye, mas inklusibo at mas malawak ka proteksyon para king sektor ning transportasyon. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.